What's up guys, my name is Alex from Beast Cars. Thank you for tuning in for the channel. Today we have an Audi A4 B7 with a 3.2. So today we're going to be changing the spark plugs and the ignition coils. Alright, so first thing we have to do, use the Phillips, take off the screw right here to take off the coolant reservoir. What you're going to do is you're going to pull up and then towards you to get it out, and then get it out of the way. Next up, we have to take off these two plastic covers. You grab from the sides and just pull up. Alright guys, next up, we will take off these two bolts right here, but they're missing in this application. So the next thing we do, we gotta disconnect the coil pack connections. Press down and then push all the way down. Alright, now we're going to basically pull up on the coil and wiggle it up and pull it out. Good time to inspect. If you see a lot of oil going on over here, that means you need to change the valve cover gasket and the sealing rings. Next up, we're going to use the spark plug tool with an extension and a 3/8 to get your spark plugs loose. The installation is going to be reverse of removal. We install the spark plug into the wrench, gently lower it into the spark plug opening, and then we're going to hand tighten them. Guys, make sure you don't over tighten the spark plugs and get them stuck inside the block. You're gonna go just tight enough to have it pretty snug, but nothing crazy. Now we reinstall the ignition coils, same way like we pulled them out. Align them, gently put them in. There's gonna be two tabs on the sides. They're gonna be aligned with the two gaps. And push until you feel a click. Now reinstall the harness. Make sure you align all the connectors before you push up. Reinstall the two bolts just to put back the coolant reservoir in its place. Make sure we align the pins. Push down and install your Phillips screw right here. And reinstall your plastic beauty covers. That's it guys, we're done. Tools needed for the job. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. We got a T15 for the two bolts for the harness. We got a 5/8 wrench specifically for spark plugs, and we have a 6-inch extension.